Hi guys, it's Kondipress here again. So in this module, I will teach you how to install your WordPress locally using this tool called LocalWP. So on your browser, go to localwp.com and this is their landing page. So from there you see download for free or create account. If you want to create account, fine, but you can just download it for free. Click on download for free, and you have to select your devices. If you're on Windows, Mac or Linux, I'm on Windows, so I will just click on Windows, and then I'll fill my information, and my phone number is not compulsory, so I will just click on download now. So this have prompt download, and it has start downloading in my download page. So that is that. So after downloading, so after successful download, go to your download and see this my own local. So I will click on it. 6.4.2. You double click to open it. So you click on run for only one person. Next, I'll just see. Next, let's follow the normal installation procedure. So you click on yes. So you click on finish, and the program will run. So you agree to the term and condition. So the program is loading. Do you want error reporting? No, thanks. Usage reporting? No, thanks. So this is the app. And I'll click on create account, create new site. So do you want to create from blueprint or a new WordPress website? So this from like if you want to create, let's just check this create from blueprint and see it. So we don't have any blueprint. Like maybe if you have a already existing website down, so let's just go back and let's create the website from scratch. So continue, and our website's name, so I'll just call it Kondipress tutorial, Kondipress tut. So other advanced option, this way you can check the website domain. They give us a local domain, the name of your website .local, and you can access it here. So let's just continue. And do you want to use custom or preferred version of PHP? If you want to customize your database, your web server, let's just use the preferred one, which is the one they install, and then go. So this is our WordPress username and the WordPress password. You know, it's very important. I use my username. Let me just use admin and my password, and I will just leave everything like this. Okay, our WordPress email, they have their own dev email at Flywheel. Okay, advanced option, if you still want to set up anything. Multi-site, no. If you want to do WordPress multi-site, you say yes. So just add sites now. Hola is creating our server for us. Allow. Yes, after successful installation, just click on WP admin, and this automatically open your default browser to the admin panel of the WordPress locally in your system. So make sure you remember the username and the password you put that time, and log in. Hola, we are in our admin dashboard for the WordPress locally, which is easy. We can preview our front-end website. Hola, this is just another WordPress. So this is the easy way you can install WordPress into your local system using LocalWP. And to my own observation, LocalWP is more faster than Bitnami. So if you want to develop on your local system, LocalWP is the best. So till next tutorial,